Today I want to show you how to customize your YouTube channel. So if you want to add custom artwork to the channel's banner, if you want to change the playlist people see, or add a welcome video, this is the tutorial for you. So I'm starting on youtube.com. I'm going to click up here at the top right corner and go to your channel. Now, I've already added artwork here, but I want to show you how to go a step further with the entire page. If you see no videos down here, I want to add this note actually. The reason that you see no videos down there may be that you do not have a video that's set to public. So if your videos are all private or unlisted, when people visit your channel, there's nothing on it, which is why I encourage you to make at least one or two public-facing YouTube videos, maybe a welcome video to your channel, so that people know that yes, this is the correct account. I'm going to press Customize Channel on the right-hand side, and some tools will pop up that look somewhat like Google Sites if you've been using the new Google Sites. If I hover over my profile icon, there's a pencil here. What I want to note about that is it's pulled directly from your Gmail account. So for all GCDS faculty and staff, your profile account is what's creating that icon here. If you want to modify it, you can. You just press the pencil and press edit, and you can change that picture. If you want to add banner artwork, you can press the pencil, or there's usually a blue button that says add channel art, but let's press the pencil and do edit channel art, and you can upload another photo. I highly recommend that you use those beautiful professional shots of our campus for your banner artwork. So let's look at some of the other things we can customize down here. On the right-hand side, I customized the title of this. It normally says Featured Channels. If I press Add Channels, normally it says it's like that. Now, I found Heather's account before, but let's pretend there was nothing here. What you should do if you want to feature someone else's channel on the side of yours so that they can easily jump from yours to another, which could be very helpful for grade level teams to get their specialists tied in, other homerooms tied in. Just go to that channel and look at how I'm looking at this page. It has the channel name and the video. That is not the same thing as clicking into the video itself. This is not the link to grab. If you're on the video, click the name of the person who made the video, which is right down here on the left-hand side, and this will bring you to their channel. So let's copy that, go back over here, and paste it, and we'll add that channel to our sidebar. So now when people visit this channel, they're going to be able to jump over to Heather's. Let's go to this side of the screen. So when people visit your channel for the first time, they're going to see whatever you put in this box. If you put nothing there, they will see nothing there. I highly recommend you record a public-facing video that introduces yourself and your channel and what you're going to be teaching. The reason that's so helpful is as people are searching for your lessons, they'll know which account is actually yours. There are other people with the same name. So when they search for Sam Rosenfeld, sometimes they get the wrong guy. So you can add a channel trailer here if you have one recorded. If you don't, that's fine. You can go ahead and record one. For people who are returning to your channel, you can also add a featured video that's different from your intro video. You can make it the same, or you can add a brand new one. So I'm going to look a little lower down here. This row says uploads, but if you notice, there's an add section button down here. I'm going to click add section. And what this gives me the option to do is to add another row of videos or channels. It gives me the ability to add a playlist here. So let's say that I want my channel to highlight how to use Zoom, right? And I know that the Zoom company has actually created its own playlist. Here is that playlist. This is the official Zoom How to Zoom playlist. So I want this to get on my channel somehow. Well, how do I do that? And by the way, if you have not watched my video on playlists yet, I highly encourage you to do so. They're exceptionally helpful things. So I'm going to copy the link to this playlist. Notice how it looks. It looks different from a channel, right? Channels have the name of the channel here, and they have the number of subscribers. This playlist over here has the title. It has a little preview clip on the left. It says, it gives a name, a description, but it also gives the option to shuffle, to share it. It looks totally different from this. So please note that. And the URL even at the top says youtube.com/playlist. So make sure you've grabbed a playlist and let's copy it. Go back to our own channel and we're going to add this content. We're going to add a single playlist. And I'm going to enter the URL for that playlist right here and press add. And then done. So now this playlist is actually on my YouTube channel. So the sun is about to burn out my eyes here. But one last thing. If I press the up arrow, I can move these two things around. So I can choose to put this here or this here. I can press done on all of these things. And then when I'm ready to view my changes, I can press view as a returning subscriber. And look at all the work we've done on our channel. I can see the featured channels on the side. Here's a playlist from Zoom. My uploads are here. Awesome.